it's 30 minutes late. Yes, bro, you're right. By the way, guys, I have two streams. Who on the short stream, you're welcome to full size stream, which is horizontal, because on shores uh, probably not comfortable enough. So, what the hell? It looks like it'll work. I hope. Okay, let's go, my boys. Let's go. So, what we did? Let's check. Let's check what we have. Oh yeah, price calculator I made. Let's check. And price filter we made yesterday. Also, let's check guys with abilities. Like reduce cooldown or something, we have the problem. Let's check that. Let's go. So turn it off. Okay. So what we need to do? Let's go to our survivor character and just put the rarity legendary. Legendary. Mm, so, legendary ability rarity. Legendary. Hey, what's up, bro? What's up, bro? Welcome. And we need to increase the chances of that. Like the maximum. I wanna put. And let's check. Let's open some crates. Okay, so the problem, like we had an icon before here, and now all great. So I wanna make one more thing here. About abilities. So we have a frame which will show what the ability is, and we click on them. Also, let's remove these chances from here, and yeah. So also I want I want to place them on our GUI, all abilities depending on rarity, because now it looks like so, it looks a little weird. I wanna like common, for example, will be at the bottom always, and so on. So let's just make layout order where we can Maybe just a rarity would take. Rarities config. Yeah, we can take rarities config. Where's rarities config? Let's call that. We don't have that. Configs local require configs rarity config rarities config, and here's also. So rarities config. So let's go here. Let's go down here, and just we need to find the index of that. Rarities config ability rarities, and just index. So we need to find that, like index local index equals table find ability rarities, and haystack and needle. This is our ability name. Oh, no, ability rarity. Yeah, of course. Ability rarity. And why we need index, maybe you ask. Because we just make for ability template layout order. Okay, what's that? Template, ability template. This is image button. Layout order equals to index. So that's it. Now let's check. All should work. Ability. Yeah, but we need to reverse that. We need to reverse that. Like for this is down here. I know how we can do that. Table find, like rarities, ability rarities. This is amount. We need to make a minus this. This will be index. Let's check that. Let's go. Easy. Great. So we just reverse that, and that's work. As you see, the more rarity has abilities, the upper it's here always now. Okay, let's do in our viewer the same thing. Let's do the same thing for viewer. Yeah, like so. Let's go in our where inventory system presentation in for viewer controller survivor viewer. So we need here to find index here's, but we need to of course to call rarities config first. Let's go here and abilities configs configs. Oh wait, what the hell is that? Ability loader, right? Okay, so let's check the same thing in our viewer should be. Let's go. Oh wait, no. Oh wait, what's that? I'm interested. No, that's doesn't work. Oh yeah, of course. I know why it doesn't work, because I forget to make the main thing. I'm not put layout order for that. Yeah, like this. Of course, what the hell? Like this. So now all should work great. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, of course. Nice. So we have abilities and they all placed in certain order we need. About this, maybe also we need here. Yeah, let's place also here also abilities in a certain order. Like first one will be the best and the last one will be the worst. We'll fix that later. We'll fix that later. We don't need like a lot of things here, I think. And okay, let's make these tabs. Uh, so here we need to change a little bit all of that. Survivors filter. Uh, survivors filter. Okay. Crates filter. Crates filter. Let's find survivors here. we first need to combine all our crates together, because we, for example, can have survivor's crate and monster crate. I don't see any reasons why we need to separate that, because this is just a crate, probably. But I think we change the colors for them, or wait. We need to think. Maybe we need to separate them. Like we need to mark something this. Let's check that. Because now we need to mark somehow, like which crates for monsters, which crates for survivors. Maybe we don't need to separate them. And I don't know if we need to make crates depending on rarity or not. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe we just can make a color for them. Need to think about that. Survivors. We can do just survivor crates and monster crates. But like, because there's not a lot of crates will be in the game, and they stuck together, maybe we don't need that. I don't know. Yeah, probably we don't need that. We just but wait, the main problem, like, we'll have yeah, maybe we need to separate anyway, because maybe we have different parameters for viewer, for info, for survivor crates, and for monster crates. And Okay, inventory tab controller we need to find. Inventory tab controller. Main button, so that's okay. Tab controller. What's that? Presentation. Tab controller. Also, let's rename that for you. What the hell? Inventory tab controller. Like so. Yeah, because we just monster stuff later. It sets old. So let's check now. Oh yeah. Wait, there's a lot of errors. Model builder. Yes, we didn't change that. I forget to check that before we change all that. So wait, we first need to get properties. What is properties? I want to read about that. Bring properties. Let's check. Equip. Let's go. Let's go. So properties. Properties. Uh, yeah. Self properties. Uh, stats. I think. Yeah. Stats quality. Stats quality. And only after that value. Dot value. Like so. So now let's check this. Okay. Okay, great. Nice. Unequip, it's default. Great. Also, let's try to sell that. Okay, yeah, that's doesn't work again. Let's go here, and I wanna see what is item. Print item we have here. Let's sell, for example, this guy. So we have ID. What the hell? So he's sold, but wait, somewhere we call it again, I think, right? Like this, like twice. What the hell? Into a service, like twice we call really the same method. Okay. Let's okay, model builder works. Okay. Wire creates. So let's close all of that. Cell survivor. Where we call cell survivor. Data controller, no. This is remote controllers. Okay, inventory item. Cell survivor. Okay, how much we call this event? And we'll call it like twice? No, once. So we call this method somewhere else. We need to fix that. This is probably not this event. Data controller. Application. No, this is like result. What about this guy? So survivor file server. No, this sends our print item. This sends our event. Oh wait, yeah, it sends incorrect data. So here is we get the wrong info about that. Cell survivor. Okay, so we need to see who call local remotes. Local remote cell survivor. That's it. Selected item. So the problem, like, we don't have selected item the first time. Print selected item. Yeah, that's looks like so. Survivor viewer. So the first, like, it works twice for some reason, and that's a problem. Okay. Hello Prohan, how are you doing, man? Great, bro, great, thank you. Hello, welcome to the stream. So this event fires twice, because maybe it's not too fast. We select our items or something like so. Where we set our item, I'm very interested. Selected item, not here, yeah. In the main class, I think. Okay, if not select item, then return and just. You can do like so. yeah, it helps. Okay, let's test other parameters if they all work, like sort by move speed, names, rarity, price, state, health, ability, quality, best to worst. Nice. I wanted to know if to make like this it requires much math knowledge or physics. I don't know. Physics probably no, bro. Math knowledge, no, no. formulas. Yeah, of course, if you wanna care of most of it. Uh, yeah, guys, that's true. So if you think maybe I remember something in linear algebra, You don't research it first. Yes, agree. Absolutely agree, bro. Absolutely. So you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You really need to. Usually, you need to see how other people solve this problem, and then it usually gives you some starting point. Like, okay, I can take the part from this code, for example, or maybe adapt this code for my game. This is the point of that. So think smart or use resources online. Yeah, I agree, bro. You're not in Stone Age anymore, bro. Yes, absolutely, bro. So really, don't, bro. Just when you have enough experience, you don't like at the beginning. That's okay, bro. If you rewrite the code line by line, that's okay, bro. That's how I started, and it lasts like a lot of time for me. But bro, one day you just realize, oh, okay, I saw these tutorials, I saw the concept, how they did that, and I have enough experience to make this code better for myself. Like, just I see the idea. And bro, at the beginning that's okay if you rewrite the code, but I highly recommend not to copy the code, like just Ctrl C, Ctrl V. This is in my opinion, this is not the best approach compared to rewrite the code. Why I think like so? Because when you rewrite the code, for example, you write a line, you type line, you press the pause, type line again, next line. This is the best in my opinion, because it really helped me. You make mistakes, you make a lot of mistakes, you forget to put some dot somewhere, you forget to use brackets somewhere, you forget some things, you forget to define the variable or something like so. And you see on the video like, bro, I did the same thing like exactly, but it doesn't work. And it allows you to start thinking why it doesn't work. And you see, maybe you rewatch the video a couple of times, maybe you find solution on your own, I don't know, maybe any other help. And okay, oh, I forget like dot here. So dots really, it's very important, for example. Or I didn't define the variable here, or I didn't create the folder, or a lot of things. It really allows you to try to solve your problem, because we're not robots, bro. If you rewrite the code, you definitely make some mistakes. So for me, this is like a common practice was before, like I forget the dot somewhere, I forget the close the bracket somewhere, or pairs. Okay, that's okay. And because when you just copy the code like Ctrl C and paste inside, you don't make mistakes. So maybe it also helps you on your way. So don't worry, bro, that's okay. We all started with something, and you just need to try. If you have a doubt, bro, no one judge you if you make some mistakes, if you if you don't know how to make some formulas, bro, don't worry about that, just start. If you do it pretty long and have a lot of dedication, bro, you'll be professional in the future, so don't worry. We all started with something, and you don't need to have a lot of doubts, bro. Just when you start, bro, you will already ahead the people who still thinking about starting. So just, bro, you need to make first step. The only way to properly learn is mistakes. Absolutely agree, bro. Absolutely agree. This is really helps a lot. Like I faced a lot of times, guys. Like so, bro. I watched this tutorial 4 times. I checked everything line by line. Why it doesn't work? What the hell? Why it doesn't work? And it really forces it's really forced me to start find a lot of things like, bro, I know it should work, but it doesn't work. What the hell? Why a guy in the video, for him all works, for me not? And you start to try to find the solution of that, and you find, bro, you definitely find. Like for some tasks you need more time, that's okay, bro, just take your time and don't worry about that, because when you overcome all these difficulties, bro, you'll become much stronger, and one day you'll be a real professional if you overcome like a little all these difficulties, like a lot of times. Just one day you realize, like, I can do everything, bro, I can do everything, and that's not a problem. Yes, I see, Profan, thanks, and good luck for your game. Thank you very much, bro. I also wish you good luck in your studying and in your learning. So that's it. That's why you need to know computational thinking. Yes, bro, yes. So, my boys, and you will forget it if you don't need it every day. Yeah, that's absolutely true. That's not about only Roblox development. This is always knowledge. Yeah, agree. This has always happened to me. Like I found a good tutorials about Blender, like free course or something like so. I passed that, and after that, like, it was really great course. It describes a lot of tools here, a lot of how to make textures, how to make models, a lot of tools it covered. But guys, when I started, like, after half a year, I needed to make models for my tower defense game in Roblox. Guys, I even can't remember how to cut or rescale or move my things, my objects in Blender. What the hell? So it's really true. We need to always use our knowledge, or we forget everything. So really, just you need to find the knowledge you need right now. This is my point. And like, you feel when you need something new. For example, I feel my code is monolith and like 1500 lines in one script, that's bad. And I realized it's time for OP, probably. It's time for OP, and this is absolutely amazing thing. I really love that, how it works, how it's very easy to control, and really I really love that. This is absolutely amazing thing. I don't think I will ever be able to learn Blender. Bro, you don't need to think like so. Maybe one day you realize that you do that. And I also, bro, don't never think I didn't never think like I'll be a Roblox developer, bro. Guys, this is really funny, but for a very long time I thought like, programming, this is definitely not for me. I was sure about that. I was sure a lot of years about that. Like, guys, programming, this is like make codes on a computer. What the hell? But I didn't think about game development. So that's the problem. I thought about web design or something. This is really but maybe one day I'll be a web designer. I don't know. Also, I can predict that. But like, this is not so interesting, and I realized, like, oh, I can make games, like my own worlds, with my own stories, with my own rules. What the hell? Like, create something really cool, which really, and I like gaming, I like playing, and I create my own worlds. What the hell? So, guys, life is very unpredictable in a lot of parts. So maybe, bro, one day you realize that you tried Blender and tell, like, bro, I love that, and it's going good for me, so why not? You can they have documentation online. Documentation online about Blender, you tell, probably. I'm not sure, bro, I'm not sure. Like, I think for beginners, this is very important. This is my point. This is my point. Maybe you have other points, guys. This is my point. For beginners, this is very important to see results. Why I like YouTube tutorials at the beginning? Because, for example, you make a model in Blender, you can watch the video and you can, or they show it at the beginning of the video, or you can scroll in the end to the video. And you see the result. This is very important because maybe like documentation, this is not easy to read usually. So text, maybe some pictures, but like tutorials gives you opportunity to make something cool already at the start. Yeah, it takes like a lot of hours for you, but you have some results, and this is very important for me. So as a beginner, it's way easier to learn visually. Yes, bro, yes. I agree. This is what I thought about. Yeah. So guys, so my boys, I'm gonna eat and I'll be here in 20 minutes, my boys. Let's do like so. back. So, my boys. So. In a self-filter table or self-inventory data inventory, inventory survivor crates, do table insert all items, and the same thing for monster crates. Let's go. And I want to check print item, all items. Oh, whoa, I forget the main thing. We need to put item inside, of course. What the hell I'm doing? What the hell? Let's go. Okay. So create stuff. No. No, 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 no. Item and amount. Item amount, yeah, that's it. So we need to make a different way all of that. Item, maybe like so. Item amount. Maybe this one, I don't know. Okay, let's first start with this one. I'm not sure it works, but let's try. Okay, item. uh, okay, probably we need to create local item table equals to so here should be yeah item table like this one, and here we need to item table item equals to amount, I think. Okay, no, let's make it a little bit different. Okay, let's make them item table. Uh, Name equals to item. Amount equals to amount. What about this? Yeah, we can sort like any things we want. This is better. Type. What about type? I'm very interested. What about type? We don't need it, I think. We don't need it, maybe. Okay, so let's better do like sorry. Yeah, I agree with that. All items, item table. Maybe we can just even do like so, by the way. Let's check that. Instead of making like a variable and so on. Let's do like so. Instead of all of that stuff. Print all items. I want to check. Let's go. So, okay, great amount. Nice. I like that. That's great. Yeah, that's easier and shorter for now. Okay, let's go here. Item, all items I. Okay. Name, item name. Rarity we don't have. Stats, health, speed. All this we don't need really. Like button, template button. Okay, this part we can delete, I think. These parameters we also can delete all of that. Health, move speed, we don't need it at all. Hi, hello, welcome. Okay, let's open our GUI to see the proper things. Items frame, let's go items, templates, create template. Yeah, so elements, what elements we have? Item name, elements button canvas group, name, item name. Also amount we have, yeah, of course. Name and local amount equals item amount. And here, so we take that and amount text equals to amount. So about rarity, item name. We don't need all of that, I think. Hello, hello. And let's delete that. ID we don't have. Check equipped, no. Selection mode, maybe, by the way. Yeah, maybe. So this is about selection. Name, item, world, model. Yeah, let's take just name, item, world, model. Model builder. Let's see how works model builder and where it finds. Okay, characters, models. Okay. So we need create builder probably, right? Yeah, definitely will be better if we have create builder. Create model builder. Was the keyboard shortcut to comment and comment several lines like that? Control and slash. Like slash this one. Control plus slash. So thanks, no problem, bro, no problem. World model builder. Okay, let's now with no model do that. Your animations, your controller show item type. A type. Local type. Creates. Okay, let's just delete that for now. Amount, elements, let's check again. Canvas group, amount. Member of canvas group. In survivor template. Oh yeah, my bad. Create template instead of survivor template. Like this, I think. Nice. Nice. Okay. So we have this one. But let's make a little bit different that. Instead of just amount, we make like so. X and amount, like so will be better in my opinion. Yeah, like so. So this is amount how much we have. Okay, now we need to activate it, make that self your controller GUI visible, show index. Let's remove it for now. Oh yeah, my bad, of course. Okay, let's finish with all of that first. We need to select our item, but we select items only by using names, because this is great. So it will be a little bit different for us. Selection mode true. If table finds self-selected items, name, and self-selection mode, like so, I think. If selected item equals to name, select item template name. select item. Selected item, just a name we'll make here instead of ID, because we don't have ID for crates. Okay, let's go here. Select item, name. Oh yeah, of course. Survivor viewer. Table finds self-selected items name. And if not index, selection visible true. Self-selected items. Table remove index. Okay, I think like so. But now we need to create our survivor viewer. Instead of survivor viewer, we need to create survivor. Okay, let's delete monster stuff. We don't have that. Okay, great. Instead of survivor viewer, where's our viewer? Let's duplicate that and create viewer. And here's instead of survivor viewer, creates viewer. And here creates viewer.new, and we'll make all of that. Let's go to create viewer and rename all of this. Survivor viewer creates viewer. So here's we create viewer, creates viewer, a quick survivor equals to new. We probably don't need a quick survivor at all because this is about crates only, so we delete this and let's delete somewhere else this, of course. Let's self quick survivor. Okay, a quit button we don't have at all for real. And we probably can remove all of that. And unequip we don't have. Okay, let's remove all of that. Show, we just need show here. So show, what about show? Item, we send an item. We need just to go here. Like so. Oh, just like so, I think. A quick survivor, we don't need that. Selected item, self clear. What about verticolors, text? Well, all the stats we don't need, we don't have that. Abilities also we don't have that. And the image color is a rarity like other things. We don't need that. And that. Let's go. Twin UI. What is Twin UI? through creates buttons. Yeah, that's it. Creates buttons. Self GUI creates buttons. Okay, so here we have some different things. Anyway, okay, creates. Oh, great! Yeah, I've got it. What we have. Yeah, I've got it. What we have, guys. Finally. So, self GUI creates. We need a creates. We have a buttons here. Self interaction buttons. Self buttons interaction buttons. We don't make like so. We just make buttons, and that's enough. And let's make here maybe buttons. For button in buttons get children do. If not GUI button, then continue end. Okay, object will be better to understand. For object, if okay, if object is a GUI button, then we do this, right? Else, for button in object do. If object, okay, if not not object is a frame, then continue end. For button object, for button in object do. The same thing. If not object GUI button, then continue end. And if that's it, we do like so. Okay, great. Okay, just sell and cancel, I think. Sell buttons dot sell activated and cancel like this one. Okay, so we also need a script which turn off probably all the other GUIs. So we bind all these buttons. Equipped. We don't need that at all. Clear. Templates, abilities. We don't have that. Don't need to clear. Let's remove all of that. Clear script we'll have. So show, like not a lot of things we need to show. Viewport, we need to fill that. Okay, let's create builder finally, because create model builder. Like this. So let's go. Self properties world model. Self clean texture we don't need at all. Let's delete this part, this method, and okay, let's go. Characters models, where is it? Creates models. Replicator storage, items models. Items models, crates. Oh, we have that. Nice. Ninja and tank. Okay, maybe we don't need that. Rename. Crates. Self properties. Like so, I think. Yeah. But about self name a little bit, we need to change that. Name. Local formatted name. String sub name pattern rate pattern replace. And create model builder we need here. Instead of model builder, create model builder. I think it's formatted and not formatted. Oh yeah, thank you. Probably, yeah. Or let's check that. Yeah, you're right. Thank you, Albert. One corrected me with formatted. Yeah, thank you, bro. You're right. Okay, create model builder. We need here. And let's try that. Oh my god. Creates viewer. What? For button in object. Oh, yeah. Yeah, children, of course. I forget. Nice. Great. Let's go, my boys. What the hell is that? This is so great. Looks like a block, but it's not. It's not. Okay, create model builder. Create. Here is we need to place instead of model builder, create model builder, and here is create model builder. Let's check. Nice. Yeah, that's it. The problem we have the stats. Yeah, we need to turn off all the different tabs. Great stop. Great tab. Oh wait, maybe we can make that in tab controller. I don't know. Probably. First, we need to close all of that. Render items. Need tab controller. Hi. Close viewers. Close viewers. For viewer in self inventory frame dot viewer do if viewer is a frame and viewer dot name not equals to empty, then viewer dot visible equals to false. And when we call that method, always when we press the show, I think, like self close viewers. Let's try. Self. Oh, what the hell? Why I'm doing it here? In tab controller, in viewers, of course, controller. What the hell? Viewer controller. Here, yeah. We need a method here. Close viewers. And let's call it here self close viewers. Let's try. Okay, self GUI, maybe like so. Okay, I wanna see what is self GUI. What the hell? Print self GUI. Oh, okay. That's already a viewer. So it's easier, even like so. So it's right. Oh, yeah. And get children, of course, I forget. Get children. Get children. So now should work, I hope. Oh yeah, my boys, let's go. Or not. Okay, let's open that and see what do we have. Players GUI. Should be like so. Yeah, but it's not. Print viewer, maybe I do something wrong. Let's check. Survivors create empty monster. Okay. Very interesting. So we call this. It doesn't work. Okay, what if we do that, for example, here? Function. Oh, wait. Of course, my boys. what I'm doing, what the hell, and why I think it doesn't work, because I do wrong. All should work great, because I just call not the wrong page. Yes, that's it. Let's check now. Okay, here we don't have this method. Okay, great. Yeah, that's it. Open and sell. For survivors, different. So nice, very, very good. Viewer controller. Also chances, of course, we need to show the chances here. Chances, let's go. By the way, I forget about that. Local chances. Chances container. Viewer chances. So in chances container, let's make it here. I think okay, local chance equals to chances container dot text label. Okay, template will be template. Clone chance chance dot parent. Okay, this is text label parent equals to chances container. Chance visible equals true. Chance layout order, also we need layout order equals, just we change that. And of course chance dot text equals to nothing for now. Okay, so we need to find the chances for our crates, if we have that, like custom chances. So config where it is config, let's make here as a config for our crates. Crate system infrastructure configs survivor crates. Okay, crates config equals okay, let's first create local rate system equals replicated storage services create system require create system dot infrastructure dot configs dot local rates config create system infrastructure configs, and now just creates config dot survivor crates, and the second one, okay, first will be default, I think will be better, like default chances, and here's default chances config. Yeah, that's it. So, but here we check if we have survivor creates config, for example ninja crate, and we have okay, let's check how we use that. Survivor Then create rarities. Then for a rarity, no, for index where, okay, index we need index rarity in this okay, let's create a variable local chances equal this for default chances config stat chances name probably, yeah, like so, chances if chances in chances do, and just put all of that here inside layout order equals to I and text rarity okay, let's create this properties dot name, and here will be properties dot chance and percent here, like so. I think let's go, let's try. Okay, we need to clear that every time, by the way. Yeah. Clear. Self clear. Clear. So we need to go to viewer, local UI viewer, create, end. Need to, okay, chances probably, creates chances. For text label in chances get children do if text label is a text label and text label dot name not equals to template, then text label destroy. Like so. What you doing? Inventory system. Okay, it doesn't work. create viewer. Text label is a text label and text label name not equals template. So GUI creates chances. Oh, clear. Prince guild children. Let's check. What do we have here? I wanna check. Oh wait, yeah, my bad. We need to rename our when we create this thing, we need to rename that. Chance.name equals to, okay, we need also rarity colors. Rarity colors, we have that. Yeah, we have that. Rarity colors. Chance. Text. Color 3 equals to rarity colors. Rarity colors, properties name, I think. Let's check our rarity colors config. Yeah, we don't need that. Okay. Create viewer. One more thing. I would make I'll show you what I want to make. Chances, model window, canvas group. Rarity, yeah, rarity. Oh, yeah, we have rarity, what the hell. I would make it darker, like so. Because it's too bright for now. Yeah, like so, and here's also, I would make it like so. Maybe in the future I'll add some things like rarity for crates, I don't know. What about this? Elements in item frames. Items, template, elements, rarity, yeah. Elements, rarity, background color. Color 3. Let's go. Let's try that. Yeah, that's it. Okay, great. So now we need to have full info about this. So we need to go create info subclass also. Info controller, survivor info, and crates. Crate info. Crate info. Let's rename that. Create info.new. So we need instead of survivor info, make create info. Hi bro, welcome. Okay, create info. Create info. Initialize info button back activated. Clear. Ability we don't need, and all of that we don't need probably. Show. If not item, then return not no item end. Info self GUI crates. Self GUI crates. What game are you making? This is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors each level. Oh, 1 second, guys. I forget one thing. So, hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors. Here is a pinned message in the chat. Here is 4 minutes video about this game. If you want, you can watch. Okay. So that's it. So let's try to press that. Is it retro style? No, no, absolutely not. This is just test models for now, or test UI. Love the UI animations. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much. Okay, create info controller, self info controller. Where we call that? Button activated. Connect. Good luck on the game. Thank you. See ya, have to go, bro. Okay, see ya, bro. See ya. Self-info controller show. Print item, what the hell? I forget to connect the buttons, right? Probably, yeah. Oh yeah, probably initialize, I forget. Or not, wait. Button activated. This is great stuff. Wait. Oh, my bad. I need to go to viewer crates, of course. Oh yeah. Of course. Buttons. Info probably. Just info, not button. Info. And activate. So here we need to call all stuff. And survivors item. Self info controller show self-selected item, like so, I think. Yeah, great, that's already here. And let's go to fill that. Survivor viewer we don't need. Create info, so we don't need description. We need definitely item type. Oh, we need all of that. Rarity probably not. Okay, let's see what parameters we have here. Parameters for that. Info. Grades. Type. Rarity we have. What the hell? Okay, common will be all for now. Let's call the config of that better. Let's call the config of that. Create info, creates viewer. Survivor creates config. So let's go here. Local config equals to okay, no, let's create better. Let's make a method which creates config for us, like better config function create config. So self local item equals just an empty table, and at the end we return item. So item config item. Config item. Whoever creates config. Survivor creates config, for example, ninja create. Image, what the hell? We have image here. We have image probably, what the hell? Image, we don't need that, I think. Oh yeah, my bad. Okay, let's do that. Dot description. Okay, let's see what we have here. Like price, type, description, ranges, ability categories. So 5 parameters, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's it. And chances also, let's put here also. Yeah, let's put chances here also, like we did before. Default chance config we also need. Default chance config require creates config default chances config local, like so. Okay, let's go. So we just need to put like price. Okay, no, name equals item name. Amount equals item amount. Price equals to this. Type equals to this. Description equals to this. Ranges equals to this. Ability categories equals to this. Start chances equals to this. Or just chances, I think. Yeah. And instead of just doing like so, we make like so. Return this table. Yeah, that's it. Create config item. Create info, create config. New item. Local item equals to create config. Okay, self create config item, new item, like so. So we return this table and do all of that. And rarity, let's item rarity will be like common just for the beginning. Rarity equals to common, just for now. Common, and that's it. So let's go. Fill all of that. Name, description, item type, rarity. We have stats. About stats, we don't need all of that stat. Price. What about price? Also we don't need. This is just like we have a price. What the hell? So item price. Item price. Name equals name. Text rarity colors text. Title text label. No, we don't need that. Description, yeah, we have type, item type, rarity. Okay. Okay, what is rarity? Okay, it will be like so. Price. Oh, these parameters we don't need at all. And we need to remove abilities, of course. Check default character, no, definitely. Health bar template, oh, that's it. So, okay, let's check first all of that we made here, and we'll see if it works like other things. Creates info. Okay, nice. It's already text label. Maybe just text, I don't know. Wait, let's check what we have here. Info, what is info? Self GUI crates. Crates. Title. Title name. Okay, text label will be better, really. Agree, absolutely. So, okay, Silent Survivor, like so. Price is not valid member. Info price. We need to put that. Price. Okay, great. So 300. Like they have the same price. I don't know. No, they have different price. What the hell? Oh, because probably. Yeah, I know. Ninja Crate, of course. What the hell? Yeah, like so. Like so. Let's check that. Oh yeah, yeah, that's it. Tank Survivor. And these chances, of course, we need to make different way. Create sphere, create stop. Survivor crates. Create viewer. Create stop. So chances we need to make. Chances, chances, chances. This is in create sphere, I think. Yeah. Chances. Chances. Yeah, that's it, that's it. Let's just copy it here and put them. Wait, what is that? Chances calculate for. Okay, yeah. After the price, I think. Separate price. After the price, yeah, we place that. Chances. If item chances. Item dot chances. So that's it. Chances container. What is chances container? Here. Properties and chances do. Chances container. Oh, this is definitely oh, chances. We have a chances here. Nice. In info 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 dot your crates info dot chances chances. I wanna see that. I wanna see that thing. Okay. Stats template. Okay. I've got it. And chances chances wait. Chances stats template clone. Yeah, local. Let's create a variable for that. Local chances container and this one. And what about clear? Clear. What about clear? That's it. Create info clear chances. Self GUI creates chances stats. That's it. Okay, okay. Clear. Clear. Okay, let's try. Let's try. Great, great, great. Need to add UI stroke. I forget about that. What is this game about? This game is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors each level. Here's a 4 minutes video. I sent a link, and you can watch 4 minutes video about this game if you want. I sent in the chat for you. Thank you, bro. Thank you. So, okay, okay. Good luck. Thank you, thank you. Oh yeah, UI stroke. I forget to add here. UI stroke. UI stroke 2, I think, and that will be enough. Let's do that. Yeah, great. I like that. So, also, we need to create range bars, of course. Range bars we definitely need to create. Uh, Range bars. Okay, we create uh, range bar rate script parent range bar script parent range bar. Let's open range bar and we see that okay, I've got it. Why it's better not initialize in constructor. No, we'll change that a little bit. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that, guys. Let's create range bar function create info create range bar. Mm, and we need, of course, have range bars. Okay, range bar, just range bar. Yeah, and range bar local range bar equals to range bar dot new. Without place arrow, we need that. Knock knock, what's up, bro? Welcome, Phoenix. Welcome, bro. Okay, create range bar. We just need. Okay, just we need to return that. Yeah. Let's return range bar like this. Okay. So we need that thing like. Oh no, we have for health. What the hell? Health bar template. Health bar. Instead of calling that method, we call create range bar. And self create range bar. And here we just call that like name. What is name, by the way? Name. Oh, okay. Yeah, we need to provide all the parameters like this one. Only health priority we don't need, and health we don't need. Like, okay, only 3 parameters. And also we need to make all of that here and here. But this is stat instead of health. Template, just template. Name template stat. So we go to range bar, create all of that, and call the methods. Arrow visible equals to true if we need that. But by default, let's make that invisible, like so. By the way, what the hell? Wait. Start template we need different. We remade that in our survivors, like so. It's better. Visible, like so. Oh yeah, of course I made that different. Arrow frame. Maybe just the whole arrow frame we can make invisible. Or just so. That's enough. Okay, no matter. Let's just arrow. Make invisible. Like this. Okay, so let's try. Health bar. I'm not sure it works. Let's try. Attempt to index null with ranges. Stat. Or nil maybe. No. Okay. Print name. Maybe. I think I've got it. What's the problem? Yes, I've got it. What's the problem? Okay, if name. Okay, if string find name rate, then rate name equals to name. Just maybe like so. You need to make that. Rate rarity bar. It's not valid member of frame stat template. Wait, what the hell? Range bar, rate rarity bar, right? Like this method is here. Oh wait, my bad. Get the main thing about this. Yeah, great. Set title also probably we don't need. Maybe something like so. Rate rarity bar. Probably we need to return all of that. Return self. Anyway, wait. Self start template. Anyway, what the hell? Wait. Okay, let's better create really different range bar creator to be easier. Okay, instead of this, we just call range bar, but it will be like this range bar. This will be create range bar. Yeah, this will be easier. Create range bar, and let's go better set up all of that. Create name, just name. Amount rarity, we don't need that. Yeah, it will be easy to control that. Place arrow we don't need. Set title probably also, I think. Place arrow I'm sure we don't need. And health. Let's go, let's try. Oh yeah, great. That's it. What about title? Health? Oh, this is just a rarity, we don't need a title. And this one also. So just two parameters and that's all. Two parameters here. Two methods we call from constructor. And let's go to do that. Change bar, range bar. Like so. And let's go to C. Great. So we have. Oh, what is health? What the hell? Maybe as a title we anyway need. Let's check stats. Stat name. Yeah, just stat name. Just, and I think that's all. Set title, and we need to call this method, of course, like so. Let's go again. Yeah, health, move speed, quality, great. And yeah, that's it. What about default chances, or what about default chances, by the way? Ranges min max. Okay. So okay, yeah, that's it. Create info. So we create all of that, and that's good. Oh yeah, and possible abilities, of course, we need it here. So let's turn it all off. Creates ability template. Ability template we don't need here at all. We just hide this one, hide all of that, why not? Or wait, chances we definitely need. No, all of that we leave. Maybe we need just ability template. Yeah, that's it. And now let's go to see what we have here. Let's go. Okay, great. So that's it. We have ranges for all of that, and so we just have description, type, name, rarity, all the chances, price should be higher. I think price should be higher definitely, because it's not like after chances. Okay, chances container, because container, because layout order equal to 6. Just it can it should solve our problem. Yeah, that's it, I think. No, anyway, wait. Container, info chances, stats. Info chances. Oh, info chances layout order, I think. Maybe like so. Let's go. Yeah, right, my boys. What the hell is that? Great. Also, I want to add possible abilities. So you can press this button and you see all the abilities you can get from this survivor, and maybe you want to read about them a little bit. I already have popped up a GUI for that, and let's do that just. So, possible abilities. It should be always at the bottom. This button. Layout order. Oh, that's okay. That's so big number in here. So let's go to connect our possible abilities button, of course. Where we can do that? We can do that where we init our buttons. Info dot creates possible abilities, and just connect activated event possible abilities, and we need to open new page here, like one more. Yeah, we need to close that and open new page. Okay, let's create a method, one more here. Possible abilities. Just call this method and self possible abilities. Just when we press that, info crates. Okay, so first we need to make invisible our crates window. Or wait, maybe not. Maybe we don't need that. Maybe we can just make the index for that like so big also, like so, and it's always cover all of that. Okay, possible abilities, that's it. Okay, so ability transparency 1. Here's we need a stroke, UI stroke thickness 2, like so. And about these abilities, this is a template, of course, visible to false. And let's go. Make it invisible, create back. Let's go. So we press possible abilities. We need self GUI visible to false. Oh no, not self GUI. This is info, right? Self GUI. Possible abilities, not visible, equals to true. And all item, show item. Okay, let's create here's a variable like self selected item new equals to item self selected item. This is our variable with our parameters. Okay, we need just Name properties and abilities pool do. If not properties one time, then existing find ability, current level, max level. I forget about one thing probably here. We need to check if it's in our pool. Upgrade ability, generate stats. Generate textures, set rarity. Oh yeah, we need one more thing here only. Yes. So we need to filter that. Also, I forget to do it here. So we have abilities config, but we need to get our categories, like ability categories, like self-selected item, self-selected item, ability categories, and we have different categories. This is just as strings, and we need somehow separate that. Ability loader load. Maybe we just can change a little bit. Oh yeah, it's easy, really. We need ability loader. Ability loader load, ability categories, for category in ability categories do local pool category, and we need to table insert abilities pool print abilities. Okay, that's a lot. My bro, hi, hello bro, hello, welcome. I'm working on my game right now too. Great bro. Hope all going best for you. Going great. So, okay, let's check that. Ninja crate, possible abilities. For category name and oh, wait. Easier. That's easier than Thank you very much, my friend. Yo, what type of game are you making? Hello, here is a video. Here is a 4 minutes video about this game. Uh, Here's 4 minutes video I sent in chat, and if you want, you can watch. But basically, this is hide and seek with random abilities for survivors, like so. I'm gonna release my game this Friday. Oh, that's cool, bro. That's cool. So, what can you remind me what your game about? Soul. Abilities config. Troll slap tower. And what? Like you need to push, like slap players from the tower, something like so, or what? Okay, okay. Ability loader, load abilities. Yeah, we anyway need to create that like different module here. Filter abilities. We need to, yeah, return ability load. Yeah, exactly. Oh, okay, bro. So this is your first project, or you already have some projects? Because I'm interested. By the way, when you release, if you're on my Discord server, don't forget there's a Your Creations channel I have, and you can share your link. Maybe some guys play your game, and I from time to time also. By the way, guys, I recently thought about making a stream like where we play your games. So I think it will be interesting. Like maybe I give you some feedback, maybe I give you some tips. Like of course, this I'm not a professional in all of that, but just opinion like a player. This is more like uh. So what do you think, guys, about like not like not now, not these days, like maybe in a week or 2 weeks, something like so, you can create and play your games really. So rate maybe see make some tips of that. I made many projects in the past that got 1K CCU. Uh, in CCU, what's that? This is concurrent users or something like so, I think. But this is the first one I'm taking it serious. Oh, that's great, bro. Thumb, I'll send it on screenshot chat. Yes, bro, of course, of course. Oh, oh, that's cool, bro. That's cool. But what about these red lines? This is just like not to no one stole your thumbnail, or this is supposed to be like these red lines, or it's supposed to be like so. That's cool. This is hand drawing or something like so. Yeah, it's not just. Oh, okay, I've got it. Cool, bro. Cool. Uh, cool, bro. That's really like it's hand drawing or what? No, I mean in Photoshop or something like so. So that's cool, bro. That's really cool. My friend drawn it for me, bro. Very good, very good. Good job, yeah, really. Oh yeah, the second one is better even. Your friend is really talented, bro. Really. Good job. On Magic Bank, I don't know what's that. Probably some application, I think. Good job, bro. Good job. That's cool. But okay, the first, if the second, the one thing I can tell about that, like, okay, the first one definitely describe. It's for manga makers. Oh, okay, okay, we got it. The first one, so like explain what the hell is happening in this game. But like the second one for me, it for example, for me, if I don't know about your idea, I didn't know like what about this game. So first one, yeah. So I see like slapping and like we on the air or something like so, and that's it. But the second one, this is beautiful. The second one, but this is not describe the idea. The second one is a Stitch or begin. Oh, okay. So okay. So I thought this is the same game. First one is a slap tower. Okay, bro. That's cool. That's cool. Good job. Good job, guys. Very cool, really. So your friend's talented in that. Oh, data store broken. Okay. Oh, okay, guys. Data store is not responding. Probably Roblox is shut down. Roblox services. So I think also I think I already tied for today already. So and problems with Roblox. So my boys, uh, are you using profile service? No, I use profile store. This is, if you know, this is like this is based on profile service, but like upgraded and easier to implement, something like so. So this is like more better profile service. Yeah, of course. Like data store, I dealt with data store like a little bit at the beginning, and the problem with data store when in my tower defense game, so so I just put equip some towers in my tower defense at the beginning, and then after teleport I lose the half of my data from time to time. I don't know why is it so, but now I probably know why is it so. Maybe some pickles or something like so. We'll need that. But I'm a beginner was here, so and then I implement I put profile service, and that's a great thing. And now I use profile store. So That's it. I hate creating data stores. Same, bro, same. I hate maybe I don't hate create data stores. Like, you mean the whole data? I think it's pretty hard sometimes to work with a lot of data like so, but that's just work, so why not? So my boys, for today that's all, and we'll see tomorrow. Thank you all who watched, thank you all who been here, thank you all for support, and see you tomorrow, my boys. Bye bye.